1 in 8 women in the United States will develop breast cancer in their lifetime.
Mammograms are the best tool for detecting the disease once it develops, but now it may be possible to detect the disease in its earlier stages. In tonight's Fox Report, Fox 31's Shaul Turner explains how Thermogram is saving lives with this high-tech detection.
These colors can reveal what the future holds. This is a thermogram, an infrared reading of heat in breast tissue that can indicate signs of disease.
Excess estrogen activity that may be working in your breast.
34-year-old Candy Campbell is under the recommended age for a first mammogram, but she wants to know if she's at risk for breast cancer now.
By the time I get into the system to get a mammogram, I'm going to be in my 40s, and I don't want to find out that 10 years from now it's too late.
The early detection can save lives, and perhaps more important to some women is it saving their breasts.
Tisra Derflinger at the Thermogram Center in Louisville says these pictures provide doctors with a head start they can't get with mammography.
Medical infrared imaging can enable us to detect breast cancer 10 years earlier than mammography because it looks for the physiological signs or the heat of tumor development.
That heat is generated by cells that over the years can multiply by the billions and develop into deadly tumors. The thermogram is taken with this high-tech camera. It works using the same technology used by the U.S. military for night vision. The key to infrared medical imaging is sensitivity. This is a live infrared image of my face on the camera at the Thermogram Center. As you can see, even the coolness from my own hand will change the image. Here you can see how the camera even picks up the coolness in our news photographer's cheeks and ears.
I would ask you to go ahead and have your hands please clasped behind your head.
The camera is taking 76,000 temperature readings of this patient's breast tissue. The computer constructs the picture.
We should see blood vessels.
The thermogram shows
she's very normal.
No signs of dangerous cell activity. But this is a different picture.
This breast is much warmer than this breast by at least 6 degrees.
The breast that registers as bright red is cancerous.
She's expected to have a 10% chance of living beyond 3 months. She came too late.
Thermogram is an option for women who aren't candidates for mammogram because they're under the age of 40, have dense breast tissue, or have breast implants.
Medical infrared imaging can be used to look for signs of implant leakage.
It's also a safe test for women who are nursing or pregnant and should not be exposed to radiation from mammograms. Candy's results show her breasts are normal for now.
There are some areas to watch for the future.
She says knowing this early on will help her to take steps toward prevention.
To monitor, to eat right, to really pay attention, because what you do now is your health for the future.
Shaul Turner, Fox 31 News.
Now, the Thermogram Center recommends that beginning at age 20, women should have the test every 3 years. And many insurance programs will cover the cost. Again, this is not a replacement for mammograms. For more information, you can go to our website at fox31news.com. Just click on the As Seen On icon.